Hi, a warm good morning everyone present over here. Dear students, today I am going to teach 3rd standard EVS. The chapter name is Fun Time. Okay, what a beautiful chapter, dear students. Yeah, it's very interesting chapter. In this chapter, we will learn some interesting games. Okay, we will learn about some interesting games and some fun, right? Shall we have some fun by learning this chapter? Yes. My dear students, now you have all been settled down at home. What you are doing, children? Yes, you are doing, some good activities at home. Yes. Which are they, dear students? If I ask you a question, my dear children, what are you doing at home today? If I ask you a question, you will answer me, sir, at home we are playing, sir. At home, yes, I am talking to our family members, sir. Sir, and also we are going outside, sir. My father will take us outside in the evening, sir, for fast food, sir. We will eat some, yes, gobi and masala puri, sir. You will tell a fantastic story because due to COVID-19, okay, last 8 months you have been at home, children. Am I right or not? Your mother will prepare you a special dishes, okay, sweets, right? Pani puri will be prepared at home, right? Chirmuri will be prepared at home. Am I right, children? Yes, you will have some fun with your younger brothers and yes, elder brothers and siblings. Am I right or not, children? Yes, this is a fantastic time. This is also a fun time for all of you, right? See, as you know that here, along with attending school and working at home or in the office, it is important to get relaxed. Okay? Yes, relaxation is so important, dear students. Am I right or not? Yes. Why Sunday is declared as a holiday? Okay, every Sunday is declared as a holiday, Yes. As you are small kids, even Saturday also you will be going home in the afternoon session itself. Why? Because you need to get rest, relaxation. You have to get some, recreations, right? Yes, that is why, the Sunday is declared as holiday for everyone. Not only for you, even for, the elders, right? Your father, your mother, everyone will be free on Sunday because the body is required what? Rest. That is a rest day, relaxation day. Am I right? Relaxation health. What is the use of relaxation, my dear students? Why do we need to get relaxed? Right? Yes, as you all know that relaxation helps for feel rested and happy and prepares you for work again. Imagine if you do not get a rest on Sunday, you cannot come to school. Okay, again you feel tired. Sir, yesterday there was no holiday, sir. That is why, I am not interested to come to school, sir, today. Yes, if you get holiday, you will be so free. That is why Sunday is there. Okay, the relaxation which will help you to come back to school again. Okay, to come back to work again with utmost energy. Am I right, students? Yes. Now we should study about a fun time in which the first one is your recreation. What is that, dear students? Yes, recreation. Okay. What is meant by recreation? Recreation, which means here the synonym of recreation is entertainment. Okay. Entertainment. This is called as recreation. How do you get entertainment? I'm going to tell my entertainment, right? Yes. Before asking you, I'm going to tell my recreations. What are my recreations? Usually on Sundays, I'll be watching TV at least couple of hours a day, 3 hours a day. Am I right or not? I am tracing out my own recreation. Just I am interested to do some taking class work, preparation of class. This is all my fun time. Okay, I take this as my fun time, right? Yes, I love my job. Okay, I need to spend most of my time in this school yes, and in my work. Okay, that is my recreation. Then if I ask you a question for you, what are your recreations? You will tell us, sir, we will play, sir, with my friend. My neighboring friend Rima will come to me and we will play here, sir. She will bring some small puppets, sir, and we will be cooking, sir. And we will be constructing a house, sir, small house, sir. Right? And she will purchase me some, yes, chocolate, sir. And she will be purchase me some, yes, cake, sir. We will be sitting together, sir, and we will be playing over there, sir. Okay, and we'll play, yes, we draw a rangoli, sir. Can you agree with me? Yes, you will all tell, yes, about, yes, recreation. Now, we shall study about, yes, recreation. The topic is what? Recreation. As you know that, an activity that we do, okay, what is meant by recreation? The activity we do for our enjoyment, okay, when we need to relax is called recreation. Whatever the activity you do for your entertainment, that is called as what? Yes, relaxation. For example, okay, you are all small kids. Look at your brothers. What do they do? Elder brothers, they will take bike outside. They will ride bike. Am I right or not? Chokabara. Okay, you and your friends and your brothers will be playing Chokabara. Am I right or not? Yes, that is also a fun time. That is also a recreation time. Am I right or not, children? Yes, an activity, yes, that we do for our own entertainment. That is called as recreation. That is called as what? Yes, recreation. For example, yes, playing games and sports. Right? Yes, morning and all, you will finish up your breakfast. Right? Yes, you will finish up your lunch. Evening time, you will go outside for games. Am I right or not? Yes. Some games you will play. Or else, as you are all at home now, you may play, yes, carom board, chess, shuttlecock. Okay, these are all your, yes, entertainment. These are all your, yes, recreations. Right? Playing games and sports. Playing games and sports. This is called as recreation. Okay, and also, as you are all small kids, I know you don't read textbook. But yes, your brothers, those who are studying in 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, like they like to read books, some moral story books. Okay, and most of the time you will like to hear a story by your granny or your grandpa. Okay, your granny will make you to sit with you, and dear students, yes, they will start up a story. Okay, what she will do? Yes, my dear child, once upon a time there was a king. Am I right or not? Once upon a time, yes, there was a devil in the village. She says or she narrates some beautiful, yes, stories, you know, about king. Moral stories she will tell about crocodile, okay, about pigeon, about parrot, about tiger. She will tell you some interesting stories, granny. That is also your recreation, children. Reading books, okay, and talking to family members. Okay, yes, see, you will fight with your, yes, younger brother. You will fight with your younger sister. Okay, that belongs to me, this belongs to me. Why do you take this? Most of the time, dear student, you will, yes, make your brother to cry, you know, by beating, by using some nasty words. Am I right? Yes, and talking to family members, and you will sit with your mom or a granny or a sibling members, and that is all called as recreation. And also you will meet your friends. Okay, yes, come Rupa, come Kavya, come Savita, we shall play together, right? Yes, you will start telling, right? Yes, watching TV are some good forms of recreations for everyone. Today these are all good recreations, but unfortunately this I'm regret to say this. See, I have added a word. I'm very regret to say this. The children at your age, yes, instead of doing these kind of activities, yes, what they have been doing, students, they have been engaging, right? Yes, they have been engaging in their, yes, using mobiles at a small age. Okay, first and studying, but they will scroll down the apps. There are some apps, games app, scrolling down and just playing. Just look at your eyes. If you watch more mobile, yes, your eyes will get pain. Do you want this kind of pain? No. Can you tell me, will you drop down today itself watching mobile? No. Don't hold a mobile. It's too dangerous. It affects on your brain, children. If you use more mobile, yes, it great effects on your brain. Am I right? Yes, playing is the most common form of relaxation. Okay, why everyone likes to play? Okay, dear students, okay, everyone likes to play games, okay, to get recreation, and it's a beautiful form of, yes, relaxation. Dear students, it's a beautiful form of recreations, right? Yes, when you play with friends, you enjoy yourself. Okay, how you enjoy with your friends? You just imagine yourself. He or she falls down. Okay, you start laughing. Okay, most of the time, yes, you will pluck something from her. You pluck something from him. Am I right, children? Yes. You will make them to cry. And you will chase them or they will chase you. Am I right? Yes, this is all called what? Yes, the game. Okay, I Spice. See, you will be holding like this and you say numbers. High Spice, they will be hiding somewhere. You need to search them. That is called as hide and seek game. What a nice game, you know. Yes, you all play hide and seek. Yes. I Spice? Yes. Okay, these are all a beautiful game. Am I right? And you enjoy with your friends. Okay, yes, friends, if you have friends, okay, yes, we will have lot of fun. Do you all have friends? Yes, good. Yes, you also learn to get along with others. Okay, what do you learn from your friends? You will learn from your friends that how to socialize, how to talk each other, how to connect the problems each other, how to get the solutions. Unknowingly, you will learn all those things. That's why the friends are, yes, they are being one of the units of the society. Am I right or not? Yes, we cannot get any recreations or relaxations without friends. When you grown up, yes, the friends will come to help you. The friends will come to your help. Am I right? Yes, if you have 100 friends, no use. Okay, a person who is very loyal and truthworthy, if you have one friend, it is enough. Such a wonderful friend. Am I right? Yes, that is why. Yes, we all play with friends. Am I right or not? And you also learn to get along with others. You learn to, yes, obey the rules of the games. When you are playing, yes, carom board, okay, what do you learn? Other things. Okay, you will learn, yes, what are the rules of the game. Okay, yes, opposite team, yes, black pawns. Okay, you are playing with white pawns. Okay, yes, everyone is focusing towards the red pawn. Okay, the lines where to keep this one. Okay, that pawn, how to play. Okay, how many pawns should be taken? What is the total number? You will learn everything, dear students. You will learn everything, you know. Yes, when you are playing, you will also learn about the rules and regulation of the games. That's very important, right? Yes, of course, you would like to win all the time. You all play to win the game. Nobody likes to lose the game. No, I have to win the game. You will be fixed into it. But remember, children, but be sure to play a fair game and be a good loser too. Okay, when you are playing, I know it is not possible to win the game every time. You also you should let the chance to your friends to gain the match, to win the game. Am I right or not? Yes, that is also one of the rules. Okay, there should be a fair game. should not have any quarrels. Okay, you should not upset for that. Allow them to win one time. And if you want to be a loser, try to be a good loser. Have laugh on face. Have a smile on face. That's the spirit. When you always win, your opponent, your friend will think that, okay, she's very aggressive. She's very possessive. Oh, leave it. Let her be win. There is no good competition, dear students. There is not at all. There is good competition. Right? You have to leave some time. You have to let the game to your friends to gain. Am I right? This is what. Now, fun time in school. The next one is here. Very important. Fun time in school. Fun time in school. Okay, you will come to school in the morning, 9 o'clock. You will attend prayer. You will go back to the classes. Right? Again, 1 o'clock. Yes, the bell will go. You will come out with your lunch box. When you come out with your lunch box, what do you say? You sit with your time. You sit with your friends. And lunch time, it makes a lot of opportunity to have words with your friends. You will talk to your friends. You will share your feelings. You share your food that you have brought. Am I right or not? That is why this is what is a fun time. Lunch time is also called as a fun time for you. When most of time at school is spent studying. 8 hours you will be in school. In 8 hours, most of the time you will be spending in studies. You will be spending in what? Studies. And learning new things. Your teachers will explain you some picture. They will be showing you some pictures. They will be showing you some videos. Okay, about pollution, about fun time, animated videos you will be watching. Talking tree. Yes, DSK sir has purchased for all of you. Wonderful teaching aid, talking tree, and you will be having a lot of fun with that. Am I right or not, children? Yes. What do? In school, most of the time you will be engaging in the studies. You will be engaging in learning good things. We also spend some time having fun and relaxing. Okay. Yes, you will be spending a very fun time. And yes, relaxing. Okay, smaller kids, M1, M2 children you see there whenever you be here. Yes, what 2 hours they will be learning, and then onwards they will sleep off. All the beds have been arranged over here, and they will be sleeping off. And the parents will come and they will take them home. Right? They are small kids, but you are all first standard students. You have energy to listen to class. That's why you will be here up to 4 o'clock, 3:30. You will be playing with us. You will be playing with your friends. Am I right? Yes, this is all about fun time. Okay. Yes, the middle break in school is the time when students can eat their lunch. Why afternoon you will be having free time? Because that is for your lunch time. At the time you talk to your friends. And in the games period, where you will go to? You will go to games to play. Schools have dedicated games periods also. Okay, you will have game periods. You know, when game periods come, you will be very happy, dear students. When PE teachers will come, you will be so happy. You will be very happy when PE teacher comes. When you look at the faces of a PE teacher, ma'am, please take them to ground. Okay? You will be enjoying a lot. You will be enjoying like anything in the ground. Am I right or not? Yes. We teachers, maths teachers, science teachers, social teachers, okay, my God, we want to listen to class another period. Right? Do you do like this? No. You're all good students. Okay? You will also listen to the class carefully, attentively. Whereas you will also enjoy with the games. Right? This will happen. And in schools, students can take part in several games. Then come on, tell me, dear students, what type of games you will play in the school? Yes, you will be playing what? Basketball. Okay, you are all small kids. Yes, look at your seniors, those who are studying in 8th standard, 9th standard, and 10th standard. Okay, yes, they all will be yes playing basketball. Only basketball? No, volleyball. Okay, and also badminton. Okay, they will be playing what? Badminton and also swimming. Swimming is so interesting, dear students. Okay, can you swim? Yes, sir. Definitely we will swim, sir. You will say that. Am I right or not? Okay, this is all yes interesting game that you are playing in the school. And yes, the sports day in your school, the two celebrations will go. Okay, one is annual day, school day function. The next one is your sports day. What do you do in the sports day? Yes, dear students, in the sports day, yes, okay, there will be running race. Okay, you'll be coming with a beautiful color dresses, drum beats. Okay, there will be march fast. Okay, yes, you'll be yes in a standing position, very neat and tidy. You'll be listening to the cautions of a PE teacher. Am I right or not, children? And you will be doing some dumbbells. Am I right or not? With music, dance. Okay, this will all come. And sports day is also held in schools to encourage children in sports. Why sports day will be going on? Okay, the sports day will be going on in the school. Okay, only to engage the students in sports, to create interest among the students. What should be there? To create interest among the students. You will all will be very happy, you know. Yes, dear students. And also, you don't play only games, but also you like to play. Yes, you like to do art, drawing. In the drawing class, okay, your drawing teacher will come and they will explain you how to draw. Yes, animal picture. How to draw, yes, bottle, how to draw like this. They'll be drawing everything. Okay, they'll be given you a topic, nature. Okay, yes, you will start drawing, yes, the sun's picture, the sun's, yes, diagram. Am I right or not? This and all you will play art and craft. Okay, yes, when the music teacher comes, okay, he will recite you some music. He will make you to sing some song. Sari Gamapa, 7 swaras. He will explain you. You will listen to it. Okay, Independence Day, yes, Gandhi Jayanti and Republic Day. Yes, you will be preparing yourself for singing song, you know, dear students. Yes, your dance teacher and your music teacher will explain you how to dance, how to sing a song. And also, yes, your class teachers and those who are good at co-curricular activities, they will explain you how to do drama. How to do drama, Shakespeare's dramas you will be playing. Okay, Sangoli Rayana drama, right? Yes, you will be wearing a Sangoli Rayana dress, Rani Abbaka. Yes, and you will be delivering a what? Dialogues. You will be delivering what? Dialogues, right? This is all for your yes fun. This is all for your entertainment or what is it, your relaxations. When you do this is all happen at your leisure time. Leisure activities are also encouraged in schools. Yardstick, dear students. Okay, yardstick is has come to school. The kids like you all will be engaging in yardstick. That is like only for science. Okay, yes. Especially the biology, yes, you have to paste some, yes, the human structure part. Okay, the parts will be here. You have to take it and have to paste over there. But teachers will be explaining before pasting. Am I right? This will all be carried out, yes, in the yes class. Yardstick, as per my observation, yardstick is so beautiful. Okay, this is so good, right? And students can choose the activity that interests them the most and practice it. Okay, you will have a plenty of opportunities, students. Okay, you have a lot of opportunities to choose yourself, which is the best for you. You can have some choose. Now, yes, fun time at home. Look at this. Fun time at home. Okay, this is very relevant. Okay, what I'm teaching you today, this is so relevant because last 8 months you have been settled down at home. Then my question is for you. Yes, how you have been spending your time? How you have been spending your fun time? That's so important, dear students. After a long day at school or work, yes, on a holiday, imagine how are you spending your most moments in your life on the occasions like Dasara and summer. Okay, summer vacations. You might have been joining, yes, summer camp. Don't worry. Okay, yes, at this time when school reopens, okay, yes, when you come back to school, right? Yes, with the permission of our DSK sir, I am going to organize, yes, summer camp. What do you play in the summer camp? What do you play in the summer camp? What do we do in the summer camp? Yes, we will be going for a trekking. Okay, we will have some super minutes games. And we will have some, yes, this one, what do we call, we throw some colors on somebody. We throw some colors on somebody. I'll give you a gun, you can shoot your friends. Okay, the different colors will be sprinkled on somebody, right? And yes, Mehndi games will be there in the summer camp, Mehndi games. And cricket you can play. And small games will be playing over there. Small games will be engaging, right? And sand writing, dear students. If you join summer camp, yes, sand writing will be there. And do you know, children? Yes, if you are really, this is for age group, on the basis of age group, we will be doing that. Yes, for 5th, 6th, 7th students, up to 8th, 9th students, right? Yes, I would take them to, yes, some land, Gaddegalalli kabaddi, right? Yes, they can play over there. And then mud bath, you'll be having some mud bath there. This is all organized in this summer camp. I have a different plan. I will definitely do with the great support of, yes, DSK sir. He would definitely help us. Okay, shall we all, yes, join together in the summer camp? Yes. Now, fun time at school. What do you do? Yes, how do you spend your time at home? After a long day of school, after work, on holidays, we relax at home. Sunday is there to get relaxations. Sunday is there to get relaxation. We discuss our day with our family members. On Sunday, what do? You will sit with your parents. They will apply some oil to your hair. Okay, you will have some yes, funs with them. Okay, they will be pinching, they will be pat on your head. Okay, yes, this all, yes, funs we will be having on Sundays. We also engage in activities like reading book. Okay, small stories, moral stories. You will read at home. Okay, watching TV. Okay, movies you will be watching. Chintu TV will be watching. You will be watching Chintu TV, you know? Yes. And yes, painting. You'll be doing some painting. Okay, all the sketch pens and colors, crayons you'll be holding and making some pictures over there. Playing indoor games like chess. You'll be playing some what? Yes, chess, indoor games and carom. So interesting game, dear students. You'll be playing what? Yes, carom. Right? Yes, many of us also like to go to park in the evening. Okay. Walk in the woods. See, look at the statement. Walk. Walk in the woods. Walk in the woods. Look at this. Okay. Yes, in the evening time, you'll be going for walk with your parents. They'll be taking you. Where do they take you to? They'll be taking you to the park, public park, and you'll be playing some. You'll be playing there with some playing materials, swirling. Am I right or not? Just you will have a lot of fun in the park. You come one round of the park. Am I right or not? Yes. And very importantly, not only of that, yes, children often play outdoor games like 8th, 9th, and 10th students, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th students. They will be playing cricket, badminton, shuttlecock, and also hide and seek. They'll be playing, what is that? Hide and seek with their neighboring friends. Okay, while adult likes to walk. Okay, means the people like us, adults, we're all adults. Okay, we like to walk, exercise or sit or talk to their friends on the benches. In the park, there will be benches here and there. Okay, yes, people like us will be sitting there and we'll be having some words with the friends. Am I right? This is all called as fun time at home. Fun time at home. Okay. In the next class, I am going to explain you old games and yes, activities. Okay. Did you understand today's topic, dear students? Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, dear Putanigala. Okay. I will see you all in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.